Hey guys, this is Jordan with Carolina Outdoors. Today's video, we're going to talk about the SEVR Broadheads. I just got these in the mail, ordered them probably a month ago. They're on back order with how much people are liking them. But I used to shoot a broadhead called Ulmer Edge. It was an expandable broadhead. I shot it last year, and I think they quit making them, and this company bought them out and made it a little bit better, a little bit stronger, a little bit bigger. So this is the SEVR Broadhead. We're going to do a package opening on this video. So nice little shoe box it comes in. But let's see, get our knife out. This is the first time I've opened this box, so brand new. Alright, this is pretty cool. Comes in the shoebox, pretty much. Shoebox looking thing. And this is what comes inside. Hope y'all can see that. Comes with a free hat. That's pretty cool. I don't know if that's because they were on back order or what, but I like the free hat. Snapback, mesh. Yeah, I like that. That's one thing we got. And then it looks like we got another smaller package with SEVR on it. It's probably the broadheads. And then my packing slip. That's about it. So we're done with that. Alright, let's see. Just a small little box, I guess it's broadheads. Wow. They actually gave me double what I was ordered. I ordered 3. Let me fix this back the way it was. Alright, so originally I ordered 3, and it's taken them a month or so, maybe even longer, to get here. But I ordered 3, and they actually gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They gave me 7, so that's pretty cool. The good thing I like about these SEVR broadheads is it actually rotates around bone. So like this right here, the blade actually rotates around bone. But it's pretty cool little packaging. We'll take one out and show it to you. If I can open it up. There it comes. Alright, it comes with these little O-rings. I hope that focuses, but O-rings and this little screw. That screw's going to go in to your broadhead when you're practicing. That way you can tune them in and see how good they fly. Which with these broadheads you probably don't need to tune them. They're going to be spot on. Alright, 2.1 inch cut. Titanium, they're made of titanium, so that's good. So this is the broadhead. Chisel point. And these two blades grab when they hit. When they hit, hold on, let me take this rubber band off. So there's a rubber band, that's what those bands are for, to keep the blade tight, but once it hits, it's going to break that rubber band. Let me see if I can get this off. Alright, so I took the band off. This is what they look like when they deploy. Just like that. It's a pretty nice cut. And what I was saying on the bone, So the broadhead's flying through. If it hits bone, it's going to ricochet off and keep going. And then once this part grabs more meat, it's going to straighten out. So it's really cool design. As it flies through ribs or whatnot, it keeps going and does not deflect it. They have some really cool videos on YouTube on how this design works. 2.1 inch cut to titanium. Pretty cool little broadhead. They only have them in 100 grain right now. I wish they had them in 125, but you know, it is what it is. Then there's supposed to be another tool, this right here. You take this tool, stick it right there, and push up like that, and it collapses them back. So you're ready to go. But yeah, if you want to practice, just put that pin it comes with right in that hole, and it won't let it expand. That way you can practice with your broadheads and not, you know, mess them up or damage the blades. So it's really cool design. I'm gonna shoot these this year, and we'll let you know how it does. We've had a lot of good success with the Shuttle T fixed blade broadheads as well. So if you want to check those out, if you want to shoot fixed blades, I'd shoot those. If you want to shoot expandables, I'd shoot something like this. Really good broadhead. So that's about it. That's all I got for you. Y'all check our hunting videos out on Carolina Outdoors. So thanks for watching.